It's time to check the emergency lighting again. Maintenance is essential because you really don't want your building safety installation to fail when it matters. You inspect all luminaires. Works, works, doesn't work. You transfer your notes to the system and order the parts. Next week, back again. You replace the components. Works, works. Oh no, a new failure. Now you have to come back again, and again and again. Nowadays, everything is connected. You can do practically anything on your phone. So why is emergency lighting still so disconnected? ABB introduces NaveoPro. With the NaveoPro app, you maintain and fully control your emergency lighting installation in real time when and where you want. It links your emergency lighting to a secure gateway that's connected to the cloud. You simply scan them or connect via Bluetooth, mark the location, and instantly get one overview of all the luminaires. You can even manage several buildings at once. If something fails, you get a notification and directly see what's the matter. The app even informs you when it's best to replace a component before there's a problem. Simply order the parts, fix it, and you're done. You even get the certificate to prove it. Now, you can focus on the next job.